unbox, so you will see all the different parts to be put together. These are the baskets, instruction manual, the bases, the snaps, the wheels, the storage box and side panels. Slide in a side panel through the protruding part of the base. Press them firmly against each other to ensure full contact. Do the same for the other base. For the first basket, attach a base at one end of the basket as shown. And the other base to the other end of the basket. For the next basket, slide in a side panel at each end of the basket. Then, position it on top of the first basket. Make sure that its side panels slide into the side panels of the first basket. Press the side panels firmly against each other to ensure full contact. Do the same steps for the next 3 baskets. Do the same steps for the storage box. Fix the snaps into positions by pushing its projections into the holes. This will hold the baskets together. Install the wheels at the bottom of the base by pushing the lug bolts into the sleeves. Maximize your space with this 6-layer movable storage bookshelf.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.